Onpassive. That name will be all around the globe, in every business, in every household, very soon. Onpassive is near the end of production and quickly approaching the launch of Mr. ASH MUFAREH'S DREAM. We, the founders, are ready for this massive event, as it has become our dream as well. Onpassive will make the internet's head spin. There will never again be anything like this in many years to come, if ever. We will overcome, overtake, and show the world what Onpassive is made up of and what it's all about. Become a founder before it's too late. You can only be a founder before the launch. This is our dream, which will become a reality. It can be yours too. You just have to make that move now. Join us.